Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the Awei T13. These are new earphones in our channel, so stay tuned for that. So let's begin here immediately with unboxing. You can see the package is very good. You can see we have a plastic wrap for protection, and we have a couple information in the back from Chinese or Arabic, so we have different languages. So if you reveal the cap immediately, you can see the ear plugs from small, medium or large. We have the charger and the case for them itself. Also you have the user manual at the bottom. In the user manual you can see we have plenty of languages, which is always a good thing. Here let's start with the small package. We have our charger, micro USB. We don't have type C in these T13s. And with big one you can see we have the case for the T13 earphones itself. In the back we have some information. You can see the Awei T13 are inside. So let's take them out and plug it in our ear and try to connect them, see if we have any problem. At the pair new device, the Bluetooth is on. We have to go pair new device and see how fast it will find our T13s. And you can see in the middle of these ear watches we have T13 there. So let's go ahead and press pair. As you can see, now it's connected, which is always a good thing to see that they connect without any problem. Let's go ahead and play this song, see how we can test them. The sound is all the way. I can barely hear myself, which for me is what I prefer. The sound is very good. You can see press once to play or pause, press twice to change the next song, and 3 times. We don't have the options for 3 times, which usually is the Google Assistant or something else, but in this case you can see we have the Google Assistant from the left earphone. In the right we don't have any of them. Let's see now how to connect with an iOS, because a lot of you all asked for this. So you can see they are paired. The sound of the T13s is very good. They have a very good bass to it. You can see now in the iOS we are at the Bluetooth. At the bottom they already found it, so it's a very good thing. Personally I like this way. It's way easier for me and you guys as well. You can see it says connected. Now we should test it with iOS as well. You can see we have a song playing. In the iOS they have the same sound, very good sound, good bass, and they are playing very good. They are comfortable, which is always a good thing to know. And personally I would wear these a few days and try them out, see if they are good, for example while you work out or travel. And you can see in the iOS the options works as well, but as I always say in iOS, I always notice a delay when you press to pause the song. You can see with the left and right one you have the same options as in Android. Also it activates Siri, which is a very good thing. After the Siri we have the same option, so we know that they work. After iOS, let's try the laptop or PC, whatever you're using, computer. You can connect it as well here. Let's try that out. we have to go here at the Bluetooth in our settings, and you can see the PC already found them, which is surprising. Press pair, and you can see it started to pair immediately, which is a very good thing and easy to connect them and use them. So while you're working, you can connect these with your PC and maybe listen some music or a podcast or whatever you use to listen. These are a very good option to connect with a couple of devices, different devices, as you saw from Android, iOS. Now we have Windows here in this laptop, HP laptop, and it says connected, which is a very good thing. We know that we don't have any trouble connecting with a laptop. Let's see the same song and hear it. And again, we have the same problem. Maybe is my laptop, but in case you have the same problem, as you can see, I am setting these earphones as default, and in this case the sound will come in your earphones and not through the speaker of the laptop. We have the sounds here all the way. They sound pretty good, and I would say that the T13s are very good purchased, and these work pretty good, so I would wear for myself. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.